Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 11, a sailing boat. This is the sailing boat you will make today. You need a square paper and start from the colored side on top. Fold diagonal. The white side is on top, which means this is a valley folding. Unfold and fold diagonal to make a big triangle from other direction. This is also valley folding. Unfold. Fold smaller triangle. You will keep some distance from the center line. It will look like as if some band in the middle. Then fold the entire paper at the center line. It will look like this now. Fold a small triangle to overlap over the big triangle. Now fold this small triangle to half. At this time, the tip of triangle should be on the sideline of big triangle. Unfold this small triangle and insert your finger into the pocket and create a square. It looks like this now. Then fold a long small triangle at the open end of square. Both sides. Press hard so that marked line will be clear. This is what you have right now. Then unfold the small long triangles, both of them, and open the square part and fold this triangle part into the inside of square. Then it will look like this rhombus after you do the same for the both sides. Then right angle of a small triangle to the center. And grab the white end of the rhombus and open it. This part is going to be the body of the sailing boat. And now reverse the rhombus. And it will look like this, big sail and small body. Now this sail is still apart. So fold small triangle at the end of the sail. What we are trying to do is reverse this small triangle and insert it to the pocket between the band area to make it a sail combined. So this is the sailing boat. Okay, now let's see how it looks on the video. This is the supplement video for lecture 11. Triangle. Big triangle from other direction. And fold smaller triangle. So do not go over to the center. By this way, it looks like there's a band in there. And fold at the center. and fold that small triangle and make that one to half. Now unfold and insert your finger in there and to make a square, and fold a long triangle, open side of the square. This part is actually going to be the body. Open this square, like this, and this rhombus, wide angle rhombus, fold that part to the center of the rhombus, and then reverse this rhombus, pull, don't do it too hard. If you do it too hard, it will break. The paper will be broken. So do it gently. Take your time. Press tight. And this open that body area. Now you notice that sails are not connected. So we have to connect the sails into one. In order to do that, first fold small triangle there, and then one of the small triangle into the pocket. You can find this one easily, this pocket, and insert there. Now by this way, sails are connected. Okay, that's done. We'll see you next.